Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Instagram feed section. Create a curated Instagram-style feed by manually uploading your content, giving you full control over what customers see. You can also link your Instagram profile to drive social engagement while keeping your store design clean and consistent. To access the Instagram feed section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then navigate to Templates and locate the Instagram feed section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings. Then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to Templates and select the Instagram feed section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Instagram feed and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Instagram feed section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Use container size to control how wide the Instagram feed section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look, ranging from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns include the same customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding so the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears, ranging from 4 pixels to 100 pixels. This allows you to create anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also adjust the opacity, from 1% to 100% to control transparency. Lower opacity creates a soft background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually strong. Enable or disable the Instagram icon depending on whether you want to show it for better profile recognition or keep the layout clean. You can set image alignment to left, center, or right to control how your content is positioned within the section. You also have the option to adjust image size from 20 to 100, allowing you to make images smaller for a compact layout or larger for a more bold and visually prominent appearance. Set the number of columns on desktop from 1 to 6, depending on how many images you want per row. For mobile, choose between 1 or 2 columns for the best viewing experience. Under Enable slider, you can choose where the Instagram feed slider will be displayed. Both devices slider will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider automatically scrolls through the content. Adjust the autoplay speed setting to control how quickly the slides move. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle through all available slides. Enable show dots to display navigation dots below the slider, allowing visitors to switch between slides easily. Enable show arrows to display left and right navigation arrows for quick slide navigation. For styling, select arrow color as either inherit to use your theme's default color or custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use arrow position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle. Arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the Instagram feed section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple blocks, including Advanced double button, Caption, Description double button, Icon, Icon with text, Image, Single button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options. Start by adding an image block to build your feed. Upload your images to showcase your Instagram-style content. And that's it. Your Instagram feed section is now fully set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.